Episode 24, let's go.
There's already so much you can do with this. Next up, pickups. Now let's add a coin that we can pick up. Again, we start by creating a new scene.
Sure.
Let's create a new node, and let's this time search for area 2D. This is a type of node that we use whenever we don't want to collide with other objects, but instead we just want to define an area in which we can detect collisions. So we simply use this to detect if another body enters, such as
Sure.
the player character. Let's create.
Also, that's not right. We still want to collide with it. It's just we don't want to. Wait, what did he say?
Next up, a new scene. Let's create a new node, and let's this time search for area 2D. This is a type of node that we use whenever we don't want to collide with other objects, but
Yeah, whenever we don't want a collision to stop the player, is what he means.
instead we just want to define an area in which we can detect collisions. So we simply use this to detect if another body enters, such as the player character. Let's create an area 2D. Let's also add some graphics, so Control A, search for sprite, and we'll select the animated sprite. Under animation, let's add some new sprite frames, selected, and let's load in from a sprite sheet here. I'm going to use
Nice, sure. And I know it's gonna need this here. Like, this should be on automatically. Like, a collision shape should be on automatically. I hope that's a preset. I really hope that's a preset. That I could change in the settings. What the fudge? What? Uh-huh. Yes. Okay. Hello? Can I zoom in? Okay, if I hold control, I can zoom in, which is pretty good. Perfect. I think I can do this on my own. Wait. What? Wait, do I actually? Oh, because I see. I don't actually need that. Like, this is excessive, actually. I can just do, what is it? Like, I could just do, these are the same one. Are these the same one, really? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Then can I do this? Wait. Two, three, four. And then I want it to go back to here. Oh. Oh! And then can I add more frames? Uh, the fudge? Where is this? Oh, it doesn't have a shape. Never mind. Perfect. Perfect. And then I do want to add... Okay, do I really have to... What the fudge? Do I have to do this? Do I seriously... No. Oh, no, 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 no. I don't have to. I don't have to. I could just do this. Yeah, perfect. And I can't do multiple at a time. Nice. Actually, really, I don't even need this frame. I could do this here. I can just do, I mean, let's just see how this looks, actually. Yep. Let's just see how that looks. Let's play that. Honestly, that looks kind of good enough, but I'll just do the whole thing. I'll just do the whole thing. Um, Clear. Is there a clear button? Yep. Okay, so can I do new one? Can I do a new one? Wow, someone is calling me. Who's calling me? Oh, never mind. Never mind. God bless. What? No. No, that's not right. Um, what? Okay, sure. That's fine. Alright, and then let's just do the whole thing. Why not? So control scroll actually does do it, which is good. Nice, and then we just do this. Perfect. And amazing. Like, here's the thing. That doesn't even look much different. Like, 5 just seems too slow, you know? Alright, I guess that's fine. Uh, Coin. And is it gonna save as coin? Yes. Nice. Okay, then we can. Oh. That's what I don't know, actually.
It's the coin.png. Zoom in on this. And this only has one grid cell on the vertical, and horizontally it has 12. And now we can click from left to right or simply click
Whoa!
and drag and add the frames. Let's hit F and zoom in. Set the FPS to 10 and hit play. And that's our coin animation. Let's make sure that this auto plays. And just like a normal physics body, an area 2D also needs a collision shape. So let's add a collision shape 2D. And then for the shape, let's just choose a circle shape, decrease the radius a bit. And that's actually all we need. So let's select our area and rename it to coin and save the scene. And now we can simply drag it into our game. So under scenes, I'll take the coin and place it around the level. You can always use Control D to.
I mean, sure, I guess. Sure. I guess a circle would maybe be better. It doesn't matter.
Duplicate. And now if we play, we can see that the coin is here, but nothing happens if we enter the area. So it's time to make our first script.
Ah! 10? Here's the thing. Does 10 really look better? No. I'll just do 8. That's fine. Now I can actually delete this, though. I could delete these things. Actually, you know what? No. No, I'm not going to delete these. I'm not going to delete them. I'm just going to have a coin above them. 500? No. What is this one at? Okay. Yeah, it's going per tile, which sucks, kind of. $488.70. Perfect. And is this in the same spot? It is, wow. So the Y is also going to be 70. Um, or is it? What? Oh, sorry, the Y is also going to be the X. Sorry, the X is also going to be 480. I really, what? Oh, I'm confused. That's fine. This is going to be 50. Nice, amazing. And then let's get another one here. And I don't know why it doesn't just auto-select on that, but that's fine, I guess. 700 is what I meant. Okay, no, 680. 690. 690 it is. Nice. 695. What the fuck? Alright, 696. Nice. And then let's just put this one here. Let's just put one here. You know what? Screw it on the perfect things. This is like a test game, so doesn't really matter. Actually, this is what oh, I see. Never mind. Um, yeah, that's fine. I guess I could have shifted. Whoa, what just happened? Okay, it does the same thing as Unity. Yeah, I can shift to lock, which is nice. Okay, let's do one like under here. I think this is a large enough space. Okay, then let's do one. That's fine. That's fine. 5. Amazing.
So in our coin scene, we select the coin node and hit add script. This time for the template, let's just choose the default template. And for the path, let's make sure that this goes under the scripts folder. I'll create and
Yep. Okay, this can stop now. You can actually stop. Also, it says animation. Oh. Select an animation player node to create and edit animation. Okay, I guess that doesn't matter. This, yeah, can stop spinning. That's fine. Also, for the platform, I guess I could have just added an animation player to it here. I don't know if it would have updated. I don't think it would have. You know what? Why didn't I do that right now? I'm gonna make a sure. I'm gonna make a static body with a uh, collision shape. Okay, and I'm just gonna make this like a rectangle. Great, amazing. This is gonna be a test. And yeah, I guess I'll just put it there for now. So then I'm gonna put the test in the scene. Perfect. Amazing. Now I'm gonna add something that will be very clear, you know, like a sprite. Okay, and then I'm going to put a texture. What? New viewport texture. What the fuck? Okay. Then I'm going to drag a fruit sprite, I guess. Nice. Then I forgot how to edit this. I forgot how. I completely forgot how to edit this. Nice. I don't know what this is. Compressed texture, I guess, sure. Okay. Whoa, that's not what I want. I want to, how do I edit this again? I don't like how I click up here and then it jumps down. I don't like that. That's one thing I don't like. What did I do for this? Sprite and region. Uh-huh. Okay. So go to region, go to edit region here. Nice. Let's make it this fruit here. Why not? The orange grapes. And it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Perfect. Amazing. Boom. And then let's see, does it update? Yes. Great. There's my test. So literally I could have added, oh, but then it wouldn't let me edit it in here. Okay. That makes sense. That makes sense. Okay. Kill that and then kill that. I literally do not care. Remove the selected files. Sure. Okay, nice. Save that. Go to coin. Add a script. Save this to scripts. Object and empty, no default, sure. Boom, create. Let's go back.
This is what it looks like when we create a default script in Godot. We can see that we've created the script on an Area 2D node and that it's automatically made to function for us that we often use. Ready and process. Currently, both of them only have the pass keyword, which means do nothing. So this script, if we run it, will do absolutely nothing. Now, the ready function is called right when our node enters the scene tree, which is just at the start of the game.
Okay.
So we can put code here.
So it's start. Got it. It's a start function.
Here that we want to happen immediately. Let's try it out by printing a quick message to see if it's working. So I'm going to write print, then in parentheses and quotes, I'm going to put I'm a coin. And if we play now, the print doesn't do anything in our game, but it does show our message, I'm a coin, in the output window. This is also referred to as the console and is where we see messages such as prints and errors. However, you might also notice that the message displays multiple times. That's because we currently have multiple coins around our game, and the script runs for each and every one. So since we have 5 coins, it displays I'm a coin 5 times.
Underscore ready. I'm not sure how much I like that.
But we don't want anything to happen when we start the game. So I'm actually just going to remove these 2 functions.
Whoa! Don't you think it's a bit drastic, bro? Whoa! Whoa!
We only want to do something once our player...
Those sections had a family, you monster.
...enters the coin area. And for this, we use a signal. Signals allow us to trigger code based on events that happen in our game. Godot has many built-in signals we can use. If we select our for this, we use a signal. Signals allow us to trigger code based on events that happen in our game. Godot has many
okay, that's handy.
Built-in signals we can use. If we select our Area 2D node and go to the Node tab, we can see all the signals on this node.
Whoa!
We want to use the body entered signal, which is triggered whenever a physics body enters the area. Since our player has a character body 2D node, this is going to trigger the signal. So to connect it, we simply double-click it and hit connect. As you can see, this creates a new function in our script called onBodyEntered, with a green arrow that shows that this is triggered by a signal. So let's here try writing a print function that says something like
okay. I guess You have to click it? I mean, I don't know if you can even do it manually.
like plus
Like, I don't know if you can even just type it in manually.
1 coin. Now when we play and enter the coin area, it's going to print +1 coin. However, this message will actually display no matter which body enters the area. If we take one of these coins here and put it in the way of a moving platform, for example, this will also trigger the message.
Whoa.
So now, right when we play, we can see that it starts displaying the message.
Okay, why do I... Bruh. Uh, so does Control D duplicate? Yes.
And we'll do so every time the platform passes through the area. To change this, we can either use code to check what body enters the area, or we can simply put our player on a separate physics layer. Let's try that out. So under our player, we'll go to the inspector, go to collision, and here we can change the physics layer from layer 1 to 2. Let's hit Ctrl S to save, and then in our coin, we can also go under collision. We can actually have the coin itself stay on layer 1. We don't need a separate layer for that yet, but we want to make sure that it only detects collider with also 2. Layer for that yet. Coin itself stay on layer 1. We don't need a separate layer for that yet, but we want to
Also, his computer is kind of crappy like mine, except I've heard 1080 Ti's are like a lot better.
make sure that it only detects collider.
And also the whatchamacallit, support for I'm blanking, bro. Support for graphics cards this old is gonna end relatively soon. So I'm gonna have to get on it. I'm gonna have to get on it buying a new graphics card.
In
Or a used one, I guess, technically. But a newer graphics card.
layer 2. For this, we use the mask. The mask defines what layers a node collides with. So let's set that to layer 2 because that's the layer that our player is on. That should actually do it. Now our coin will only detect collisions from our player. And instead of just displaying a message,
Nice.
let's also remove the coin from our scene when we pick it up. So in our script, after printing 1 coin, let's add a new line. We'll call the queue_free function, which is simply going to remove the entire coin scene from our game. And indeed it does. And our knight can now start gathering some coin. Now, depending on what type of loot we pick up, we want different things to happen. In this case, I want to display a score that increases when we pick up a coin. But we'll look at that when we get to text. First, I think something a bit more pressing is dying and restarting our game. Dying 1.0.
What? He didn't even do a sound effect. He didn't even add a sound effect, bro. That's like the first thing you have to do when making a coin. That's like, those are like the rules, pretty much. Whatever. Whatever. Oh, yeah. Body entered. Why is this all the way the fudge down here? I just don't. Whatever. Does it give me? Oh wait, do I have to do that?
Which is simply going to remove the entire coin scene from our game. And
Oh. Oh, I actually don't have to do it. Never mind. I don't have to put a semicolon. Wow. And then play. Can I do play? Okay, what about sound? What about, okay. Um, is there seriously no sound? Audio stream playback? Audio stream player 3D. Video stream player audio generation. Um, hmm. I'm not gonna lie. I am not gonna lie. I do not think this is very intuitive. I do not think this engine is very intuitive. Plays back audio non-positionally. Yes, that is what I want. Thank you. Uh, how do I add a sound? Stream. What? New audio stream. New audio. Okay. I am going to. What is this? Can I play this? Can I play it? Good enough. Good enough. So maybe I can bam. I can just bam, bammy, bammy. Pitch scale 1, autoplay, stream paused. Max polyphony. Audio stream. Oh. Maybe I actually don't need an audio stream player. Audio stream generator? Dot. Oh my fudging. Play. Audio stream player. These are not. Hmm. 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 Uh. 2D. 2D. Oh my. What the f. What? Cue free. Okay, I'm gonna delete that. We got cue function. How do I play? It's displayed folded, set displayed folded, set display folded. Multiplayer authority. I'm looking for functions. Replaced by. Sound? Is there a sound one? Is there a audio one? Play audio? Is there a play audio? Play audio? What the fuck? This is whack, bro. This is whack. Whack. Um, collision object 2D. area 2D, collision object 2D, canvas item 2D, object, collision shape, animated sprite, uh, these are just functions. Okay. Surely there's another function. You know, before this ends, I am just going to look up how to play a sound on collision in Godot. In the script, when the event occurs, you call a method to play the sound. You can use the play function of the audio stream player node to play the sound. Thank you. Alright. Attenuation. No. Okay, then we do audio stream player 2D dot play. There should be a play. Oh. Cannot call non-static function. Make an instance instead. What? Cannot call non-static function play on the cloud. Oh, what? Wait, can I just do this? Can I really just do this? What? That looks okay, but I think... What? Sound hit dot play. Wait, can I do that? Can I actually just do that? Audio bus. Collision. Oh, yeah. I forgot about this. I can do this and then that. Perfect. So does that work? Does it work? I forgot I literally can't do wasd. Ah! It crashed. Fi.
This poorly textured, blocky man's only goal in life is to collide with other objects. And you can tell when he collides because he says,
Oh yeah.
Bro,
Oh yeah.
So we've got some ground.
I very much dislike, very much dislike when people say mans.
He's a rigid body. We've got an audio stream player and, of course, a camera so we can see what's going on. First thing we're going to do is put a script on the rigid body. I'm just going to call this the
Booyah!
script. Then we're actually going to click back onto the rigid body, go to Node, Signals, and then double-click Body Entered. Then just connect that to the script. While we're here, I'm also going to click on the audio stream player and add the finished signal to our script. And this is probably the most important step. Go back to the rigid body, go to connect that to the script. While we're here, I'm also going to click on the audio stream player and add the finished signal to our script.
Oh.
And this is probably the most important step. Go back to the rigid body, go to its inspector, and then turn contact reported to at least 1, and then turn contact monitor to on. All right, back to the script. So just to quickly test this out, under on rigid body entered, we can just set the audio stream player to play.
Booyah!
And then it works perfectly, and we're totally done, right?
Booyah!
Not exactly. Sometimes it takes this rigid body a little while to settle down, and in the meantime, he's just going to be screaming booyah like way too much. So to fix that, back on the script, we're going to add a variable. It should probably be
Booyah!
script. Then we're actually going to click connect signal to our script. While we're here, I'm also going to click on the audio stream player and add the then just connect that to the script. While we're here, I'm also going to click on the audio stream player and add the finished signal to our script. And this is probably the most important step. Go back to the rigid body, go to its inspector, and then turn contact to the script. So just a quick one, and then turn contact monitor to on. All right, back to the script. So just a quick one, and then turn contact monitor to on. All right. Back to the script. So just to quickly test this out, under on rigid body entered, we can just set the audio stream player to play.
What? What the fu- What the fudge? Yeah, that's pretty bad. But someone made it in like 5 minutes, so that's kind of to be expected, actually. Alright, now I can do this, and it will work perfectly. Right? It will work perfectly. Okay, it actually might. Yeah, it'll work. Yeah. I don't know why we need to do the finish thing. Yeah, I did it! Okay. Nothing happened. What the fudge? Bruh. Bruh. Ah! I'm confused. What? Let's see. This is the easy. No. This is the easiest one. You suck. Okay. I'm not.
Booyah.
And then it works perfectly, and we're totally done, right?
Booyah.
Not exactly. Sometimes
Bruh. Skill issue, bro. Actual skill issue. Bro, why is it so difficult just to get a sound to play? Yeah, this, I gotta say, this is so much more annoying than Unity. Okay.
it takes this rigid body a little.
Booyah.
This poorly tech slides around. He's a rigid body. We've got an audio stream player and, of course, a camera. So we've got some ground. He's a rigid body. We've got an audio stream player and, of course, a camera so we can see what's going on. First thing we're going to do is put a script on the rigid body. I'm just going to call this the
Booyah.
script. Then we're actually going to click back onto the rigid body, go to Node, Signals, and then double-click Body Entered. Then just connect that to the script. While we're here, I'm also going to click on the audio stream player and add the finished signal to our script. And this is probably the most important step. Go back to the rigid body, go to its inspector, and then turn contact reported to at least 1, and then turn contact monitor to on. All right, back to the script. So just to quickly test this out, on rigid body entered, we can just set the audio stream player to play.
Booyah.
And then it works perfectly, and we're totally done, right?
Booyah.
Not exactly. Sometimes it takes this rigid body a little while to settle down, and
Maybe it needs to... not be a 2D one? Maybe? I don't understand. I don't understand, though. Why would it need to be 2D? Why would it need to be regular? And why does the 2D one even exist? Why? Why does it even exist? Come on, this is the easiest one to get. Can I not skill issue myself again? Oh my yidey bitey, bro. What the foidy moidy is going on? Flippity dippity on the wrong ding crank, bro. Ah! This is fudging. What the fudge is going on? Why does it always do this? Why does it always go like 5 lines down? Please, please. No. Ah!
in the meantime, he's just going to be screaming booyah like way too much. So to fix that, back on the script, we're going to add a variable. It should
It didn't work. It didn't work. It didn't work. Audio stream player. Audio stream player. Volume 0 decibels. I don't see a reason for this to be here. Also, why is there even an option for there to be 2D? Why is there an option? What is the difference? 1 decibel. I think that's quiet. I think. Surely that's quiet. Surely. Surely that's quiet. Surely that's quiet, right? Right? I swear, if my eardrums are gonna get blasted, maybe 5? Because I didn't hear it at all. So hopefully my eardrums are not gonna get blasted. Please, please don't blast my eardrums. Please, please, please. Oh, okay. Okay, that's it. That's it for this video. Thank you everyone for watching. Thank you everyone for watching. That should have been episode 24. And you will all see me tomorrow.